Today in this video I am going to tell you how to pair your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote. Here are some easy steps for how to pair your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote. If you like our video, please hit like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. So friends, let's get started. If you want to purchase any product online, Amazon affiliate link is given in video description box. Please buy from that link, it will help for me a lot. Thank you for your support. Step 1. To pair a replacement remote for your Fire Stick, please follow all steps correctly. You can see all steps pictures on your screen. Step 2. Press the home button on your Fire TV Stick remote. Then open Settings. You can do this by pressing the right directional button on your remote until the gear icon on the right is highlighted. Then press the down directional button on your remote to open the settings menu. Step 3. Next, select controllers Bluetooth devices. Step 4. Then select Amazon Fire TV remotes. Step 5. Next, select Add new remote. Your Amazon Fire TV will search for discoverable remotes and display them in a list. Step 6. Then press and hold the home button on your new remote for 10 seconds. This means the remote you are trying to pair. Once your Fire Stick recognizes your new remote, it will appear on the screen. Step 7. Press the select button on your old remote to confirm. This means the remote that is already paired. Then select button is in the middle of the ring at the top of your remote. Step 8. Finally, you can use your new remote when you see it listed on the screen. Bonus gift for you. You can add up to 7 remotes to your Fire Stick. If you have reached your limit, you will need to unpair one of them. To do this, find your remote in the controller's Bluetooth devices settings. Then press the menu button with 3 lines and then press the select button to confirm. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.